Alright guys, today we're going to be degreasing a motor, cleaning up a machine that I have to work on. It's just covered in grease and grime, and I don't like working on stuff if I can't see what I'm working on or if it's just going to make a mess. So I love to just power wash everything down to the bare metal, get it all clean, so that when I'm working on it I can really function and see what I'm doing and my tools aren't slipping off the nuts and the bolts. But anyway, I had a company reach out to me and they asked me to try one of their products, so I'm pretty excited about trying it. I've never tried it before. It's called Super Clean, and we're going to go outside and I'll show you the items that they sent me, and I'll show you the machine, and let's put it to the test and see how it does. Alright, so this is the machine right here, and it is filthy. Alright, you can see it's covered in dirt. It's pretty nasty. And go up here to the motor, and if you look in there, it is disgusting. And I'm trying to diagnose this machine right now, but it's just covered in grease. And unfortunately what I'm doing is some wiring issues that we're having, and I can't really see half of them wires because they're covered in grease. Here's the motor. Alright, pretty filthy. And come around to the other side here. So, look at these wheels. Let me show you the product that we have. Alright, we got Super Clean, we got a wheel cleaner, and we have this spray bottle here. It says dissolves grease super easy, super fast, and then it looks like they have a foam version of it. So dissolves grease, huh? Well, it's definitely got its word cut out for it on this machine, and we're gonna find out if it really does dissolve grease or not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray all the wheels down, I'm gonna spray the motor down, and I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes to soak in. Now, with any chemical, guys, when you're spraying stuff, especially outdoors, you get a little bit of a wind, it's gonna come back in your eyes. Put safety glasses on, and you see I got rubber gloves on. Alright, so I used that entire bottle. This is a very big machine, and I sprayed the entire machine with it. I guess if I was just doing a motor, I'd probably be able to get 4 or 5 motors done with one bottle. Me personally, I do the entire machine every time these machines come out because they come in dirty. So that bottle really took a toll on my wrist squeezing it. But hopefully, I don't know if they have a commercial version in a big container where you could dump it in to a pump sprayer. That's what I use. I don't know if they have that, but that one bottle, it's really tough to squirt the whole machine with that, and I ran out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the foam stuff that they gave me. I'm going to spray this because I didn't get a chance to do the decks or anything, and some other little spots. So I'm going to try this on those areas. And we'll recoat the motor with some of this also, just to go a little above and beyond, because this machine is really dirty. Now, keep in mind, guys, on your machine, make sure you tape off whatever mechanisms need to be taped off that cannot get these chemicals in there or the water in there when you spray it off. You certainly don't want to damage anything on your machine, but that's at your own risk. Tape off what you need to tape off, or cover up what you need to cover up. Alright, now I'll do under that really dirty seat with this stuff as well. Alright, so I went around, and this is their wheel cleaner, so I put it on all the wheels, just finishing up here. we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then we are gonna see how well it takes the grease off. We'll be right back. All right, guys, it's been about 15 minutes, so we're gonna go out there and we're gonna hose this off and see how well it does. All right, so we just finished power washing the machine, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the product. And you know, I was kind of nervous at first because this machine, it had so much grease on it, and I deal with a lot of degreasers daily. I'm always doing engines, and this machine in particular has been sitting for a long time, a couple of years. It had just a lot of grease on there, and some of the stuff is just not fixable or cleanable. But let me show you the results here. I gotta tell you, I'm really shocked. Look at the difference in that. Truly incredible. I didn't even know, I mean, this motor looks like it was just put in. I mean, it's still wet, so we still have a little shine to it, but you can see the grease is definitely gone. Man, that stuff did a really good job. Everything is actually white again. Here's our what it looked like before. And this is after. I mean, man, look at that block. Truly incredible. Definitely good stuff, but the test is going to be now. Remember, we saw underneath of that seat. Oh yeah, and the wheels. Look at that wheel now. Here's the wheel before, and there's after. But if you remember that seat that we had, I mean, look at those decks too. The body, I mean, this thing just looks brand new again. The wheels are just remarkable. But under this seat is where it was real bad. Let me show you the before first. And there's our after. I mean, wow. Let me get some of this seat cushion out of the way here. But I can actually see the motor again. Wow. Look at that motor. Awesome stuff, guys. You know, it's really tough when I get a product and I have to leave bad reviews on stuff. And again, I was really worried about this and doing the review on using this machine because there was so much grease. But hey, man, I'm looking for a good degreaser, so this was the machine to put it to the test. And I gotta tell you, the stuff is awesome. The only con that I see, and it might not even be a con, is because it's just something I'm not educated about. But for me, I wouldn't order those bottles because I do big machines, and I do the entire machine all the time, and it just really hurts your wrist after a while. So I would like to see, and they may already even have it, is a commercial size, concentrated size that we can dilute and put in a sprayer. Kind of like this. This is actually what I have out here. Pump sprayer like that. And you can see, actually, there's the Spray 9 over there that I use. But this stuff definitely kicked its butt. And there it is. Right there. I don't know if I'll be able to persuade the company to start ordering the Super Clean. But when they see the results of this, I'm sure it's a no-brainer. And I definitely recommend it. 1 out of 10, definitely give it a 10.5, 11. All right. And that's my review of the Super Clean Degreaser. And don't forget, guys, please give me a subscribe below, give me a like, and I will see you guys next time on what to do.